Everyone, welcome to the channel where it's all about traveling and more. So today we are at the Arbuckle Wilderness in Davis, Oklahoma. That's probably like say 3 hours out of Plano, Texas here. We went and visited this drive-through safari, and it was okay. I wasn't that impressed with it. The animals are not looking at their best. I know they're in the wild, but outside of that, it was just a little bit depressing. But Oklahoma is usually like dry, so I guess that contributing to why the place was looking like that. But overall, I would give them a 7 out of 10 in terms of upkeep and what attraction is on site. This is just an highlight of what we saw during our drive-through. I hope you enjoy the video. For those of us who have already subscribed, thank you for doing so. If you haven't subscribed and you're here by accident, or you're just here by curiosity, then now is the time I'm going to have you please go ahead, like, share, subscribe to the channel, and turn that notification bell on for more content. Thank you for tuning in, and I do hope you enjoy this video. Yeah, for some strange reason they said do not come out of the car, but you could hardly find any animal. I don't know if the animals just decided to run out of their, captivity, or they're just dead, or there's just none. But it wasn't that impressive. This was my first time seeing a camel, and it was pretty interesting. These camels, or these animals on this safari, they know the trucks that are a part of the safari, and so they will run towards those truck with those tourists or with those persons who are touring the safari to get snacks or feed. Otherwise, they will just stand back. Yeah, he wasn't too happy because we never had any feed. This is us approaching an area that had some bisons. They were very huge. It was scary. They were pretty calm. They weren't aggressive. I guess, because we were in the car. But you had some persons up this side who was like stuck in the little area that you're supposed to be driving through for probably like say 15 20 minutes, causing some congestion there with traffic. And they did say that we're not supposed to be driving and stopping in that little area because the animals, their legs can actually get stuck in the little area that the water is supposed to be draining through. So there's some metals there. You don't want animals to be stuck there because just remember it's a safari, so it's not gonna be open all the time where you have persons constantly checking to make sure the animals in the safari are safe. And so this is just one thing they wanted to prevent animals getting stuck. And so we had a driver who was in the truck behind us transporting some guests. He had to come out and be like literally telling people that you cannot stop in this section. The signs are there clearly. So he encouraged them to actually go down, and then they can actually go ahead and feed the bisons and look at them and take pictures as needed. But so far, it was going okay. The bisons were very big. They seemed calm, but as they say, there's always a calm before the storm. So it was okay. That gentleman on the right, he was the one who went down to tell the folks, you need to go down. Look at those horns. That's crazy. Sometimes they just come and just stand right in front of you, in front of the car, and you're wondering, are you supposed to move down or are you supposed to wait until they're finished? Because you don't know what's going to be happening. Look at that. Wow. These animals are huge. That's so much muscle. This is the closest I've been to anything like that. So that's the truck behind, and all of these animals just run to them and they feed them. At one point, you could actually see the folks in the truck standing in the middle because they were scared of all of these huge animals. So they were literally standing in the middle because the truck is open at the sides because it's a tour bus or a tour truck. So literally they were lining in the middle just because they don't want the animals to actually, be biting at them, because remember, these are all wild animals. You don't know what they can do. So I think that's just a precautionary measure they did. Just look at that, all the animals following the truck. Yeah, these animals, they do have sense. They do. And this was when we were now getting ready to go feed the giraffes. The giraffes saw the truck and decided to literally start walking past us. And there's the ostrich as well. They were literally just walking past because they know where to get food. They know that this truck has food, and so all these animals just literally walk past our vehicle and go down to get them. Well, we never really had any more food either way, so... But either way, thank you guys. Thank you for tuning in, watching the video. If you have any questions, you can always leave them below and comment, like, share, subscribe, and just continue watching. And this is just part of my world. Thank you. Bye.